Hey guys, today we're unboxing the Katalyst Spark 5G Business Router, your new high-speed powerhouse. It's super simple to set up, just pop in the SIM card and you're good to go. On Verizon's 5G network, the Spark gives you fast and reliable internet your business can count on. It's got a sleek design that fits perfectly into any office environment. You can connect up to 200 devices at the same time, and with an 8-hour battery backup, you stay online even during power outages. Plus, the dual SIM gives you an automatic failover option for extra peace of mind. Now let's check out what's inside the box. First up, you'll find the user manual and warranty guide. In there, you'll find information on how to use and set up the router, as well as information on warranty. Next, there's a slim box with your antennas and Ethernet cable. This is what your antennas are going to look like, and your Ethernet cable. Now, for the reason we're all here. Underneath that is the Spark router itself, the star of the show. This is what it's going to look like. You'll also get a charger and power adapter, plus hardware and screws to mount to any wall. And for more flexibility, we've included a window adhesive mount so you can place your new router exactly where it works best. We're really excited about how the Katalyst Spark 5G Business Router performs and the value it delivers. Thanks for listening. Catch you next time.